Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Wi-Fi not working on iPhone or your iPhone is not connecting to the Wi-Fi. The first thing you will do is check your Wi-Fi router. So you want to check if the router itself is giving trouble. The best way to do this is if you have another device that is able to connect to the internet. You will simply check that device, and if that device is connecting to the internet and working properly, then you will know that the problem is with the iPhone. So if the problem is not with the router, what I recommend you do is ensure that the iPhone is in close proximity to the Wi-Fi router. And after you have done that, you will simply go into settings, and you want to ensure that airplane mode, as you can see right here, is toggled off at the top, because if it's turned on a lot of the time, the Wi-Fi tends to turn off. So you want to ensure that that is toggled on. I would also recommend that you tap on Wi-Fi and ensure that that is toggled on, and then you will tap on your Wi-Fi network once it is showing that it can be connected, and you want to enter the password. And after you have entered the password, you will tap on auto join, as you can see right there. And the next thing that I would recommend you do, if it is still not working, is turn off the router and leave Wi-Fi on your mobile device. So you'll turn off the router and then turn it on again and see if it connects. If it still doesn't connect to your iPhone, you will simply come back into settings, tap on general, and from here you're going to scroll down and you're going to tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Then you're going to tap on reset, and you will simply tap on reset network settings and then try again. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.